guys, my name is Ava Jones, but you can call me Shell, and I'm back with episode 5 of season 1 of Chainsaw Man's reaction. So I already know this episode is going to be weird AF, so bear with me. But I'm going to be real with y'all. Some of the stuff is making me mad uncomfortable. Like them actually showing a play-by-play of him touching her boobs is just, I feel like, unnecessary, but maybe it'll play into the plot. Okay,
And
this is
that's
funny.
it, squeezing
This is funny. This
Was
is
it not the
funny.
most splendid experience? Stunned by just how fortunate
He's
you
really
were.
in zombie
Now
mode
it's
right
fair
now.
to call us Steven. With Meowie back in my custody, I
There's
have
so
no
much
real
I
cause
could
to
say,
hide
but...
any longer. Yet there is no
But
escaping
what?
Makima, which is why I shall continue to help you lot. I'm sure the pleasure is all yours. To bed we go, Meowie, my dearest.
Not Meowie jumping on her like a familiar. That's crazy.
That's it?
How did I know? How did I know it would be something ridiculous like that? I figured it would just be like, that's all?
I hate making you do this mountain of paperwork. Denji, is there something on your mind?
I finally got a hold of this long-time dream I've been chasing, right? But once it was sitting in the palm of my hand, it was way less life-changing than I thought it'd be. Well, I touched some boobs for the very first time, but it turns out second base is no big whoop.
Listen, Denji. I believe that when it comes to sexual matters, the better you understand your partner, the better you'll feel. But understanding another's heart is easier said than done, so start small. Perhaps with hands. Take your time and carefully study them. How long are their fingers? And their palms?
I'm
Are they
shook.
cold? Or are they warm? What's the shape of their ears?
She's not wrong. Bro, are you okay? I thought something was genuinely wrong with him for a moment.
Denji, dear. There's a favor I'd like to ask. If that's all right.
Sure.
I was fine playing by myself.
Take that!
Cut it out before I make you. If you catch a cold, I'll be the one in trouble. Grab our gloves from the house.
In a little under 5 minutes, 1.2 million people were annihilated. The gun devil then fell off the face of the earth and hasn't been seen since. Does destroying it sound plausible to you?
Well, couldn't say for sure, but I bet if I pull out all the stops and try super hard, it'll be a piece of cake.
We received an extermination request. There was a devil sighting inside of a hotel. No confirmation on the status of hotel guests, but several civilian hunters who initially went in have been found dead. There was movement from a gun devil piece, so it's likely the target ingested another. 6 agents are to be dispatched, all from Special Division 4.
You sure that dangly meat chunk of yours ain't busted? So tired.
Stay sharp. It's coming.
This is so intense all of a sudden. What? Uh,
Easy, I've got it.
It's floating.
That thing! Cowardly rogue! It froze in midair when it saw me!
No. That was all me.
How so?
Not to brag, but I'm locked in a contract with the ghost devil.
Do you speak true? What trick would you pull if I aim to kill her?
Put away your pointy toy. I'd prefer you not make me choke you to death because you can't behave. It's easier
That's
if we
cool.
get along, so I hope we do.
Is there a problem?
I'm not really sure. Were we on our way to the 9th floor from the 8th, or am I just losing it?
Steak? I could go for some of that.
this is gonna be cool.
But hold up. Just now, we watched you go down the stairs.
I would be afraid to. I would. Oh. It's time to get swifty. Okay, y'all, that was episode 5. That was episode 5 of season 1 of Chainsaw Man's reaction. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Honestly, a lot of that was just between heightening morale in the most devious way possible and the setup for the Gun Devil. I am so excited to see the next episode because it means good fight scenes. It means seeing what the Gun Devil even looks like, because these designs have been out of this world for these devils. So I'm excited. And yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to share with someone that you think would enjoy these reactions and needs a little light in their life. And comment if you feel like being social. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
If you had the money you spent on those views, and you could have gotten a stock in YouTube. This Bitcoin look like it might drop pretty soon. Computer alert me to stop if it do. I really flex like you have no option to do. My diamonds is blue like I clone a mule. My life is like lightning, a cyclone of fuel. I cycle a loop.